First stop.
Wawa! What up, y'all?
What's poppin'?
It's your favorite couple. You already know. Today, we're on our way to the Tampa Fairgrounds for Fuel Fest. If you guys like these kind of videos, you want to see some cool cars, a dope event that I've never been to before. We've never been to before.
Even the location.
And
cool.
yeah, we've never been there, the fairgrounds before either. But anywho, there's gonna be some cool people there and cool cars and cool stuff, so stay tuned. Got like a Plymouth or something? Okay, banana boat.
Yeah, this says it's a lemon drop.
Lemon dropper. So yes, lovely, lovely traffic. Shouldn't be too long or bad though. We're 15 minutes from the place. That was, I don't know, it seemed like it was longer. It said 50 minutes from like the house, but it seems quicker than that. Made it into the right entrance. That's crazy. They
$15.
like $15 parking. This thing sounds nice. Just a Grand Sport. Got slapped with that random $15 fee, and it was already like 80 bucks or some shit for the tickets. So we made it. Let's see. Let's see what this is about. I spy some TSXs already. BMW. TSX. Damn, he bottomed out on that side skirt. These don't look too bad. The Kansai, whatever, however you say it. Yeah, that's a lot of rust brake dust in that corner. Shit. But hey, TSX life, dog. There's another TSX here with the Nike swoosh, man. Nike swoosh. Some nice cars. These older Lexuses right here, man. These bigger bodies, they just look good. You got the Kansais. These are nice too. I like them. Those are like rep kind of wheels too. Koenigs-ish in a sense, but they're more reputable. So we got the Lexus garage showing y'all front end swerve. Hey, we're gonna go to the cracker country, babe.
Yeah, why not?
Learn about them crackers. So y'all, you're on the chest mount right now. Do a little POV type of action. Oh, cherry cola. Could I do the retro? Can I? Spartan sherbet. Oh, I love that kind of flavor. What up, man? How you doing, dog?
Up, bro?
Nice to meet you.
Damn, my bad.
You're good, you're good, you're good. I was like, oh, first TSX I've seen.
I think it's the only one here, bro.
Yeah, I seen a few in the parking lot, but I just got in here, so. Hey, man, work in progress, right?
Yeah, bro, I see you taking apart that total one. Both of y'all, actually.
Yeah. You know the vibes. Alright, so that was pretty dope, man. Seeing some TSX homies, local. You seen what the great TSX. It's just cool. As soon as we walk in, like literally all we did is walk in through there, walk right there, and already met 2 people. That's awesome, dude. I don't ever go anywhere and expect anyone to really recognize me and ask for a picture nonetheless, so. Circle Garage, man. He's always preaching health and wellness and just a bunch of cool cars and family oriented and stuff, so that's all we're about too, man. There's gonna be a lot of Japanese vehicles over here. Not everything, obviously, you know, but a lot. Sylvias, GTRs. I mean, yeah. Evo wagon. Dude, that shit is stupid clean. What they do and walk around. Ooh, they got an R32 in there. I'll see that. Oh yeah. Hey, Otto. I'm in New York, so I can't get talking about right now. I gotta make the BMWs. S15 Sylvia. Damn. Ooh. That red interior. Hopefully you guys could see a little bit with the GoPro. I took some photos on the camera. I've been doing that. Obviously you guys seen, doing little POVs of that. Showing you what I can. We finally were able to get some views of the drifting. Hopefully zooming in, you know, it's still good quality. Yeah. It's a little chilly, but it's a beautiful evening. Sun came out more, it's nice. If you guys like this kind of videos, like, comment, subscribe. You know, we'll pop out of more events, just do this vlog style. You guys are hanging on my chest, around my neck, and yeah, hopefully we could do a TSX meet or just like a meet in general with Rish and all the supporters. Yeah, we just gotta find a location, so let's get something going this year. Cop some merch, yo, hit me up. Oh, what's going on, man? How you doing? Nice to see you.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
I took some pictures of you too while you're in action.
Oh, really? You're trying to film for YouTube and stuff. So
You got to.
Hi.
definitely staffy.
Yeah.
farmer's market. I definitely want to go in there. Oh my god! Low park crew. So we're over here, stopping up at this San Juan farmer's market. I don't know. Spur of the moment, I was like, dude, I want like a nice watermelon. I've been feeling it. And some fresh, you know, veggies or whatever we see. Oh shit, this is like a wholesale thing. Mangoes. Bunch of cheeses over there. Let's really look at what they got. $9. $9. Quail eggs. Duck egg.
Asian hot sauce, basically.
Ooh.
Pepper sauce, the hot pepper sauce. Sweet cheese and syrup right here.
Sweet plantains. What is this?
What's the on the packet? It's
What,
not bad.
why does this seem intriguing?
And rice sticks.
Oh, the cornstarch or cornmeal. Be seeing stuff and we're just like, we're grabbing, so.
Okay, little things. We making some homemade, so might as well.
You guys like this view? Like this POV kind of stuff? Blend coffee with milk.
Gold.
Jesus.
Okay.
Grab a couple things. It wasn't like anything, nothing like too crazy or special here. What's that? Like an Asian spot? Yummy house. Which is too expensive. Just for it to be kind of like a regular event, you know? Ooh, nice Supra. There we go. That's a beauty.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.